the 4-count line following robot. Kind of one. It'll be kind of long, but it will be working. Slow and steady. That's all we're asking for. The VEX microcontroller, digital output sensors that work off the light variation from the black to the brown on the track. And count 4 lines and then stop the robot in place. That was number 3. Little problem, had to separate the sensors a little bit, increase the time going over the black. It was counting too many times, but this should be number 4. Thank you so much.